Hi, it's Frank Agahi with Agahi Realty Group with Associated Realtors here in City of Irvine. The question that I'm asked on a daily basis these days, or that is the market slowing down, or what is happening with the prices? So I thought to give you an overview of what's going on in City of Irvine and overall with the housing market. Let's look at the inventory. When you compare the inventory number of active listing on the market from last year to this year, as you see on the chart, in January of 2024, we had 215 homes on the market. And in April of 2024, we got 289 homes on the market. Compared to this year, in January of 2025, we had 463 homes on the market, whereas in April, it increased to 704 active listing during month of April. That's a huge increase year over year. So the inventory has gone up. On the other hand, if you look at the demand, last year interest rates were somewhere in 7%. Although early this year, the interest rate dropped to below 7, recently it's gone over that. As a matter of fact, based on Mortgage Daily News, the interest rate is right now at 6.92% for a 30-year conforming loan. On the other hand, we have higher inventory, and the demand has gone lower from April of last year at 211 homes sold compared to this April at 76 homes. So the demand went down by 64%. So here we are, the inventory going higher, the demand going lower, and as a result, the expected market time has increased by 58% this year compared to last year. As a matter of fact, since announcement of the tariffs of April 2nd, the consumer sentiment has gone lower than what it was during the COVID lockdown. This is the first time that has happened. So because of that, there is less confidence for buyers to buy a home. They want to wait to see what happens with the prices, with inflation, if there is going to be a recession. So all of these factors have contributed to lower demand. As a result, we see higher marketing time. As a matter of fact, we're seeing demand peak at this time of the year rather than later in the year, later in May or June. So if the demand has peaked at this time, and we are expecting more listing to come on the market, so we should expect longer time for homes to sell. So those who are planning to put their house on the market, or those who are currently on the market, need to be very careful as how to price their home and how to present their home. You need to talk to a professional real estate agent just to go over these items with you to see what is the best way to get the best result. And there are sellers, of course, that their mindset still in the past when there were multiple offers and homes were selling over asking price. Here is the reality. Most of the offers that we are getting these days are way below the asking price. If you price your home over what's fair market value, you will be on the market for a longer time. You will have to drop your price to sell it. And generally, when you get to the point that you go through price reductions, that means you're going to sell it lower than what you would have originally sold. Again, I would love to see your comments below to see what are your thoughts on the condition of the market.